Ino niyo biceria iratindire kuo muthenya wa ira barabara-ini nene ya Kericho guthii Naikuru thutha wa gikundi kia mbeu njithi kururungana makiregana na uhuthiri wa macini cia gutua macani mugunda-ini wa Ekaterra na gucungiriria hathara nene. Ni kumana na ndugamano ino ya muthenya wa ira riu kambuni ino yaniriire kurugamia mihang'o yayo na gutiga aruti wira 16,000 kuma kaunti-ini cia Kericho na Bomet matari na wiki.
Organize assaults on business premises and the deliberate destruction of crucial assets. These criminal activities and the breakdown of law and order have severely disrupted business operations, hampering the growth of the tea industry.
Muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya kambuni cia macani Silas Njibwakale niwe waniriire ndeto ino akiuga magacokereria mihang'o ya utui wa macani nginyagia riria ugitiri ukugacirithio.
Operations slow down. Large-scale tea producers will reduce operations until adequate security measures are guaranteed. 2. Suspension of operations. Ekaterra Tea Kenya PLC is extremely concerned about the recent developments surrounding its tea operations in Kericho and Bomet counties. The safety of their people is of paramount importance to them. So they have suspended their operations until the law enforcement agencies can confirm that it is safe to resume their activities.
Njibwakale akiuga ati hari ihinda ria mieri 6 mihituku kambuni ino nitete makiria ma milioni 120 kumana na wici wa macani na milioni 50 iri hathara ya indo ciao cia kuhuthira. Njibwakale ongereire kuga ati kambuni ingĩ nene cia ũrĩmi wa macani cia Kericho na Bomet ta James Finleys, George Williamson, Sotikti, Highlands, Kaisugu na Mauti onacio ni kunyihia mihang'o yayo ya wira nginyagia ugitiri ugacirithio.
Tunataka mashini zitolewe, zimefanya watu wamekosa kazi, ziende kabisa.
Hapa Kericho tuko na shida, mashini tumeweka mashini kila mahali, hakuna kazi tunafanya Kericho. Na huko Nandi hakuna mashini.
Arorongania ya maratetaga kumana na kambuni ino gukorwo ikihuthira macini gutua macani migunda-ini yao makiuga ni matunyukithitio mieke ya wira wao. Ndeto iria gavana wa kaunti ya Kericho Eric Mutai aigiriire akiorota kambuni ino ni gufuta wira arugamiriri 10.
You have sacked 10 managers that belongs to the Kipsigis people. Yes. In a row of 1 week you have sacked 10 managers. As we speak now, there is only one single manager in the entire tea plantation at the top management level that belongs to the Kipsigis. The rest are not from Kipsigis.
Na kweli ikafanyika, but we were ready. If we were not ready, hii kampuni unaona hapa ingekuwa imechomeka leo. So, but the number of people who were involved are around 6,000 to 7,000. So it was really a huge number that if we were not aware ingekuwa mbaya zaidi.
Njibwakale ongereire kuga ati ona miario iria irariho gatagati ga kamiti ya mwanya ya Kericho igi kambuni cia ũrĩmi wa macani na nyiti itemi ni rugamitio nginyagia ugitiri ugacirithio. Ekaterra Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.